Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've prepped everything, let's put it all together and bake our chicken pasta for that perfect, cheesy, golden finish. Let's get into it. Vegetable add-ins for extra nutrition. Tossing in vegetables boosts nutrition and adds fresh texture. These options blend seamlessly without overpowering the dish. Spinach. Stir in a handful of fresh or thawed frozen spinach for color and iron. It wilts into the sauce, so you won't even notice it's there, just extra nutrients. Mushrooms. Sautéed mushrooms add an earthy, meaty depth. Try cremini or shiitake for richer flavor. Bell peppers. Diced red or yellow peppers bring sweetness and crunch. Roast them first for a smoky kick. For greens like kale or broccoli, blanch them briefly before adding to keep their brightness. Alternate sauce options. Switching the sauce changes the whole dish. Move beyond marinara with these options. Alfredo. Creamy and rich, Alfredo sauce works beautifully with chicken and mozzarella. Add a pinch of nutmeg for depth. Pesto. Swap red sauce for basil pesto for herby, fresh twist. Mix it with a little ricotta to keep the bake moist. Buffalo sauce. Toss the chicken in hot sauce before layering for a spicy kick. Balance it with extra cheese and a drizzle of ranch. If you're short on time, a can of condensed cream of mushroom soup mixed with milk makes a quick, comforting sauce. Want more heat? Stir red pepper flakes into any sauce, or top with jalapenos before baking. The possibilities are endless. Just taste as you go. Serving and pairing suggestions. Now that your chicken pasta bake is golden and bubbling, the next step is deciding how to serve it. The right sides and drinks can take this dish from good to unforgettable, balancing its rich, cheesy flavors with fresh, crisp, or acidic contrasts. Here's how to build a meal around it. Ideal side dishes. A great side should complement the bake without stealing the spotlight. These options add texture, brightness, or crunch to round out the meal. Garlic bread. Buttery and crisp, it's perfect for soaking up extra sauce. Swap regular bread for a cheesy pull-apart version if you want indulgence. Green salad. A simple mix of greens with lemon vinaigrette cuts through the richness. Add cherry tomatoes or cucumbers for freshness. Roasted vegetables. Try zucchini, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts tossed with olive oil and herbs. Their caramelized edges add depth. Steamed broccoli. Light and quick, it adds color and a mild bitterness that balances creamy pasta. For a no-fuss option, a store-bought baguette or pre-washed salad greens work just as well. Wine and beverage pairings. The right drink can highlight the dish's flavors. Here's what to pour. Chardonnay. Its buttery notes mirror the creamy cheese, while acidity keeps each bite fresh. Pinot Noir. Light enough not to overpower, with red fruit flavors that pair well with tomato-based bakes. Sparkling water with citrus. A squeeze of lemon or lime adds zing, cleaning the palate between bites. Iced tea. Unsweetened or lightly sweetened herbal tea offers a refreshing, non-alcoholic contrast. If you prefer beer, a crisp lager or slightly bitter IPA works well with the dish's richness. The goal is balance. Choose something that refreshes without competing. With these pairings, your chicken pasta bake becomes a full, satisfying meal. Keep it simple or mix and match sides based on what you're craving. Tips for storing and reheating. Even the best chicken pasta bake can lose its magic if stored or reheated wrong. You want leftovers that taste just as good as the first serving, creamy, cheesy, and not dried out. Here's how to keep it fresh and revive it like a pro. Proper storage techniques. Chicken pasta bake keeps well in the fridge or freezer, but only if you store it right. Follow these steps to lock in flavor and texture. Cool it quickly. Let the dish sit at room temperature for no more than 2 hours. Bacteria grows fast in warm food. Divide large portions into smaller containers to speed up cooling. Airtight is key. Use containers with tight-fitting lids or wrap the baking dish tightly in foil. Air exposure dries out pasta and makes cheese rubbery. Fridge life. Stored properly, it lasts 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Push a piece of parchment paper directly onto the surface before sealing to prevent moisture loss. Freezing for later. Freeze individual portions in microwave-safe containers for up to 2 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating. Pro tip. Write the date on containers. Cheesy pasta dishes look the same whether they're 1 day or 1 week old. Labeling avoids guesswork. Reheating without drying out. No one wants a crumbly, dry pasta bake. These methods bring back the creamy texture. Oven method, best for texture. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place leftovers in an oven-safe dish. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or broth over the top, and cover with foil. Heat for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove the foil and bake 5 more minutes to crisp the cheese. Stovetop for small portions. Warm a non-stick pan over low heat. Add a splash of milk or cream, then stir in the pasta gently until heated through. Microwave, fast but risky. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of sauce or water over the pasta. Cover with a damp paper towel and microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring between each. Avoid reheating more than once. Repeated warming breaks down the pasta and sauce, turning it mushy. Want extra richness? Stir in a pat of butter or a sprinkle of fresh cheese after reheating. It revives the dish like nothing else. This chicken pasta bake is the ultimate comfort food, simple enough for weeknights but impressive for gatherings. The recipe adapts to whatever you have on hand, making it a reliable staple. Try it this week and don't be afraid to mix in your favorite ingredients. Did you add extra veggies or swap the cheese? Share your twist in the comments. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.